motorcycle is blessed with such a supple road ride that's also razor sharp on track like the Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory 1100. Nothing spills out such smooth low-end power that will also rip your face off when you get to the red line. Even fewer handle and grip like a superbike, but are comfortable enough to cover long distance in comfort. The Aprilia is all those things. The 1077cc engine of the Tuono V4 has a new Euro 5 exhaust and mapping, and despite the restrictions, it still makes the same 173 bhp, made 350 rpm higher, and 89 pound-feet of torque. It doesn't need 200 bhp to impress on the road or dominate on the track, and instead it has a marvelously wide spread of perfectly delivered power that as docile or insane as you want it to be, an amazing soundtrack that's impossible to get enough of. Rider aids are more refined thanks to a more powerful new Marelli 11 MP ECU.